Well, hello, my name's Ken Farr. I'm a dendrologist with the Canadian Forest Service of Natural Resources Canada, and today we're here in the Arboretum of the Central Experimental Farm here in Ottawa to select some trees that you might find useful for planting in the urban forest in and around the place where you live. So this is an eastern white pine, Pinus strobus. As the name suggests, it's strictly an eastern tree. It occurs in Canada essentially from eastern Quebec and the Maritimes through to about Lake of the Woods. But it's also a standard urban planting across Canada in terms of city selections for trees and shrubs. So why is it planted across Canada? It's a fairly dependable urban tree, except they're prone to drought at some points. They're beautiful, fast-growing tree, and you can identify them on the basis of the needles that are in bundles of 5. So when you look at a pine tree, the needles, the leaves come in bundles of 2, 3, or 5. In the case of white pine, eastern white pine, they're in bundles of 5. As you'll notice from the form of the tree, it's very modular. There are no branches growing between the main whorls of branches, so you can effectively count the age of the tree by counting those whorls from bottom to top. In terms of size, they are very large trees, and you need a big space to plant them. So if you look behind this tree at the large trees in the background, those are actually the same species, eastern white pine, and they're by no means as large as they're going to get over a period of 200 to 300, 400 years, but you can see that even at 70 to 100 years old, they do get to be quite big. So you do need to think about space available for planting trees in and around your house. So eastern white pine, an important tree in terms of the history of eastern Canada and the development of the forest industry, and now a very main component of the Great Lakes St. Lawrence forest, and fairly common as an urban forest tree as well.
If you like this video, let us know with a thumbs up. Click on the logo below to subscribe to the Simply Science channel and click the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos.